Okay guys, I got a question from many of you asking me, can you show us a paid method to do CPA marketing? And today I'm going to show you one of the cheapest ways to do CPA marketing. It is so cheap that even if you have to pay for 50 people in order to get just one person to submit their email, you will still have profit. It is that cheap. And it is beginner friendly. It is a simple process. And don't worry, I'm going to show you everything you need to know. So make sure to watch this video very carefully. With that being said, let's start. Okay guys, so obviously first thing you need to do, you need to find CPA offers to promote. And for that you can use Max Bounty, you can use CPA Lead or any other CPA affiliate network. But for this purpose, I'm going to use CPA Grip. So I'm here on my offers and what I need to do, I need to choose countries. So let's say for example, United States, okay? But if you choose some other country like India, like Indonesia, Philippines, Brazil, or some other country, this method can be even cheaper. Now here in category, I'm going to choose email and zip submit because those are the easiest one to promote. And here I can see all the available CPA offers. And with this method, you can promote one offer if you want, or you can promote multiple different offers. It's up to you. So for example, when I scroll here and for example, okay, this one, grab a 750 PayPal gift card now. When I click here I can see enter your mobile phone. So when someone enters their mobile phone, I can earn $2.05. Now remember this, $2.05. And this is my CPA Grip affiliate link. Okay, that is really important. So now when I have my CPA offer, next thing I need to do, I need to make a bridge page. Now to build a bridge page, I can use Kartra, I can use Builderall, ClickFunnels or any other bridge page builder. But because I'm guessing that you are beginners and you don't have that much money to invest, maybe best option is System.io. System.io have a free option, so register for a free option and make a bridge page. Now I will not show you how to make bridge pages because I already showed you many times how to do that. And this is my bridge page that I made for this video. Now this is not the best bridge page, but it is okay. Here you can see interesting image, catchy image, and here you can see big call to action. Win free gift cards for your favorite stores. And here you can see I have two offers. And here I can see, and here for example, when they click on 750 PayPal gift card, or when they click here, they will be redirected to my CPA offer, and if they submit their phone number, I am going to earn $2.05 for every person who submits their phone number. Okay, so now we need to start driving traffic to our bridge page, and for that we are going to use a company called push.house. Now this is push notification advertising companies. So what are push ads? Those are those annoying ads when you are scrolling through your phone and then those ads start popping up. Those are push ads. I know they are annoying, but they are cheap and they work. So first thing you need to do, you need to click here on sign up and you need to add your name, your email and your password. You do not need to add Skype or Telegram. You need to confirm that you are not a robot. You need to agree to system rules. Click here on sign up and that's it. You will register on push.house. Now after that you will come to your dashboard. Now I created a new account for the purpose of this video. And here you can see top 10 active countries. Look at this, United States, 2000%, Philippines, almost 1700%, Turkey, 1000%. Now remember that I told you if you target some other country, not United States, you can get even cheaper ads. So for example, if you are promoting CPA offer from Philippines, you can get even cheaper ads, cheaper clicks, and you can potentially make even more money. So first thing you need to do, you need to scroll here and you need to click here on push and then click here, create a campaign in order to create a new campaign. Now, first thing you need to do here, you need to add a link here to your bridge page. That is most important thing because we wish to send people to our bridge page. So I'll go back on my bridge page. I'm going to click here, Control C for copy, and I'm going to paste it here. Okay. Title, this is the title of our ad. This is only for us, visible to us. So let's just say test 1. Okay. And here you can choose title. So I already prepared the title. So this is my title. Okay. Control C, and this is my title, okay, win free gift cards. And now I need to add copy. I already prepared that as well, okay. So Control C, and I'm going to paste it here, okay? Win free gift cards for your favorite stores. Here you can see for title, you only have room for 30 characters. And here in the text, you have room only for 45 characters. So pay attention on those stuff. And here you can see you can add an icon and an image. We are going to do that in a minute. Here you can choose some tags. Now, if you are a beginner, I do not suggest using this. You can use this later when you get more experience. Group, you choose a group if you have group. Countries, now I will choose United States, okay? United States, so let me just find United States. Okay, United States, but like I said, if you target Philippines, Brazil, India, or some other country, you can get even cheaper clicks, okay? You can choose different cities. I will leave it as it is to all cities. And look at this, you can pay only 3 cents per click. It is that cheap. So even if you send 50 people, that is $1.50. And if just one person submit their email, their phone number, I can earn $2.05. That is 55 cents of profit, okay? So if I pay, let's say, $1,500, I will make $550 profit, okay? So devices, I will leave it as all devices. Later you can test this to see which device will give you better results. Subscriptions age, I will leave it as it is to all. Operating systems, again, you can choose operating system. For now, leave it as all. Browser language, you can choose English in this case, but I will leave it as all. Now here, campaign schedule. Now you can turn off or on some days if you want, or some hours if you want, but I always leave it as it is. So you don't really need to do anything here. And when you scroll here, add limit. Okay, total budget. So let's just say that my total budget is $100. Okay, daily budget, let's just say $10. Okay, total clicks limit, leave it empty. Daily clicks, leave it empty. Type, okay, I will leave it as it is, not set. IP list, type ID, just leave it as it is. But I need to now upload an image. Now here you can see icon, it has to be 192 by 192 pixels. Dimensions, so click here on upload, and this is my icon, okay? And okay, I will just make this bit larger, like this, to make it fit, okay? And click save. And now I need to upload image, and here you can see dimensions of the image must be 492 pixels with 328 pixels. So click here on upload, and let me just find my image. This is my image. Okay, and again, I will just make it larger to make it fit. Okay, just like this. So let me just make, okay, click here, save, and this is my image. And here you can see in the image as well, I also have a call to action. Win free gift cards, okay? And I need to scroll back here. Here you can see the uniqueness of the campaign. Leave it as an ad, okay? You can test the link and domain, but I leave it as an ad. And here you can see age 18 plus. Because we are promoting CPA offers, I always leave it as 18 plus, okay? Feed, you don't really need to do anything here, just leave it as it is. You can play later with all of this stuff, but for now, just leave it as it is. And all you have to do now is just click here on save, and you will start your campaign. But as you can see, I didn't add my payments option, which means my campaign won't start. So what you need to do, you need to click here on finance, and you need to add payment option. You need to add actually money to your account here on Push House. And you can do that with Visa, web money, with cryptocurrencies, coin payments, or capitalist. Unfortunately, PayPal is not the option, but you do have a Visa credit card option, so this will work for you as long as you have a credit card. And you can add at least $50 and then just click here, top up, and that's it. You will add funds to your Push House ad campaign, and your ad campaign will start. And as we saw, this really is so cheap. You can pay just 3 cents per click. And if you spend, let's just say, $15,000, I know it is unrealistic for beginners, but if you spend $15,000, you can make $5,000, $6,000, maybe even more dollars every month. Totally easy in just 5 minutes with automatic system. So this is the cheapest way to do CPA marketing.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.